Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to save documents generated from any Modern Requirements NextGen module directly into your document management library without downloading them locally. Let's start with Smart Docs. Open any existing Smart Doc from the Smart Docs Browse page. Click the Save As button in the top toolbar. A drop-down opens with three options. Click Save to Library. The Save to Library dialog opens. Enter a title for the file. From the folder dropdown, select the document management folder where you want to save it, for example, My Document, or any subfolder. Select a Word template from the Word template dropdown. Choose the output format from the Save As dropdown, for example, MS Word. You can also check Overwrite if a file with the same name exists if you want to replace any previous version. Click OK. Now, if we open the document management library, you can see that the document is saved directly into here. Now let's do the same from Traceability. So first, open any existing traceability matrix. After that, click Export to Excel in the toolbar. The Export to Excel dialog opens. Select an Excel template from the dropdown. Check the Save to Library checkbox. Then enter the name and select the folder where you want to save the traceability report and click OK. The matrix is saved directly to your document management library. Now let's look at Version Package. Open any existing package and click the three dots More Options menu in the top right toolbar. Click Save As and then select Save to Library. The Save to Library dialog opens with the same fields as before. Enter a title, select a folder, choose a Word template, select the Save As format, and click OK. The package is saved to document management immediately. Now let's look at Review. First, open any existing review. Then, from three dots at the top right corner, open the menu and click Smart Report. Select a template and style sheet, then click Generate to preview the report. Click Save As and select Save to Library. The Save to Library dialog opens. Enter a title, select the destination folder, choose a Word template and output format, and click OK. The Smart Report is saved directly to your document management library. The same Save to Library workflow is available from Baseline as well. Open any baseline, click Smart Report, generate the report, and use Save As to save it into the library. Now let's go to Document Management and see all the saved files. Open Document Management from the Azure DevOps side panel. You can see all the documents saved from different modules are now listed here in the selected folders. Each entry shows the file title, who last modified it, and when it was saved. This gives your entire team one central place to access all reports, matrices, packages, and documents generated across Modern Requirements NextGen without any manual downloading or uploading. And that is how you save documents from any Modern Requirements NextGen module directly into document management. Thanks for watching.